Are you looking for the best 3D printer for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best 3D printer for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is a feature-rich FDM 3D printer designed to offer both beginners and experienced users a reliable and user-friendly printing experience. It boasts a build volume of 225 by 225 by 280 mm, providing ample space for various projects. The printer is equipped with a dual-gear direct drive extruder, enhancing filament feeding accuracy and enabling the use of flexible materials like TPU. Its auto-bed leveling system simplifies setup, ensuring consistent first layers for successful prints. The PEI magnetic flexible platform allows for easy removal of prints, reducing the risk of damage. Additionally, the removable 4.3-inch touchscreen interface offers intuitive control, and the printer operates quietly, making it suitable for home or office environments. Users have praised the Neptune 3 Pro for its out-of-the-box performance and value, noting its capability to handle a range of filaments and produce high-quality prints. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v2. The Creality Ender 3v2 is a versatile and user-friendly FDM 3D printer suitable for both beginners and experienced users. It features a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm and is equipped with a silent 32-bit motherboard for smooth, quiet operation. The printer includes a carborundum glass platform for faster heating, improved adhesion, and easier print removal, as well as a resume printing function that allows printing to continue after power outages. Its 4.3-inch color LCD screen provides an intuitive interface, and the rotary knob on the extruder simplifies filament loading. With its combination of reliability, ease of use, and advanced features, the Ender 3v2 is a solid choice for a wide range of 3D printing projects. Number 3. AnkerMake M5 3D Printer. The AnkerMake M5 is a high-performance FDM 3D printer designed to deliver ultra-fast printing speeds without compromising on quality. Equipped with Power Boost 3.0 technology, it achieves speeds up to 500 mm per second, significantly reducing print times by up to 70% compared to traditional 50 mm per second printers. Despite its rapid pace, the M5 maintains a precision of 0.1 mm, ensuring smooth and detailed outputs. The printer features an integrated die-cast aluminum alloy structure, enhancing stability and reducing vibrations, which is crucial for high-speed printing. Its 7x7 auto-leveling system ensures consistent first layers, while the built-in AI camera monitors prints in real time, detecting issues like adhesion failures or filament jams and pausing the print to prevent errors. Users can remotely control the printer via the AnkerMake app, AnkerMake Slicer, or even Alexa, providing flexibility and convenience. Number 4. Entina X40V3 IDEX 3D Printer. The Entina X40V3 is a feature-rich independent dual extruder, IDEX, 3D printer designed for both enthusiasts and professionals seeking high-quality, multi-material prints. With a generous build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm, it supports for printing modes, single nozzle, mixed material dual nozzle, duplication, and mirror mode, offering versatility for various projects. Equipped with 295 degrees Celsius high-temperature nozzles, the X40V3 is compatible with a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, nylon, and more. The 32-bit silent motherboard ensures smooth and quiet operation, while the 4.3-inch touchscreen provides an intuitive interface for easy control. The printer also features a PEI spring steel magnetic platform, facilitating excellent adhesion and easy removal of prints. Number 5. ELEGOO MAS4 MSLA 3D Printer. The ELEGOO MAS4 is a high-performance MSLA resin 3D printer designed for users seeking exceptional print quality and precision. Equipped with a 7-inch 9K monochrome LCD screen boasting a resolution of 8520 by 4320 pixels and an XY resolution of 18 m, it delivers fine details and sharp edges in prints. The printer offers a build volume of 153.36 by 77.76 by 175 mm, accommodating a variety of project sizes. It supports printing speeds ranging from 30 to 70 mm per hour and layer thicknesses between 0.01 and 0.2 mm, providing flexibility for different printing needs. The MSLA utilizes a powerful COB light source consisting of 36 LEDs, ensuring uniform UV light distribution for consistent curing. It is compatible with popular slicing software such as Chichibox, Voxeldon's Tango, and Autodesk Fusion, allowing users to prepare models efficiently.